friends, today I would like to introduce to you our Feidie brand pure electric barrier garbage transport truck. It adopts a single row cab, left-hand steering, electric air conditioning, electric windows, automatic transmission, providing a comfortable driving experience. The vehicle is equipped with a 63 kW battery from the Chinese well-known brand CATL. The quick charging port is located behind the cab. It has a 105 kW drive motor and a maximum range of 200 km. The front axle is 1.5 tons. The rear axle is 3 tons. Wheelbase 3.1 meters. 15-inch vacuum tires. The vehicle is 6 meters long, 1.9 meters wide, and 2.2 meters high. The cargo compartment adopts a railing structure with a length of 3.9 meters, a width of 1.8 meters, and a height of 0.4 meters. The cargo compartment can carry 28 120 liters garbage cans and 15 240 liters garbage cans. A hydraulic tailgate is installed at the rear of the vehicles. Control box is installed at the rear of the truck too. This vehicle not only can transport garbage, but also flexibly carry 4 tons of different goods. Choosing this electric garbage truck will save your money and be more environmentally friendly. If you like it, please contact me.